guys, this is next video of Mati Global, and this is already fourth video, so we are doing really good. I'm happy to be here with you. This is Friday, I'm already after work, you know, working really hard, but I'm happy to have the 3 days now. Tomorrow I'm going to Łódź. Łódź is a city in near to Warsaw, and I will meet my parents-in-law there. And today we are going to the city, but of course I will need to tell you more about our book, because one more time, this is Brian Tracy series. I hope that you will get some new knowledge and we will go further in our journey. And this is good because in the next video I will manage to show you some stuff regarding the next trips. Okay, so the next chapter is named Mastermind, and Mastermind in Brian's thinking is our subconscious mind. So subconscious mind, as you remember, we have this inner world when we have all our concept, all our thinking, and this is reflected in our outer world. And today also I will be trying to have the whole video with my camera in front of me. This is Warsaw, and you can really feel that the spring is coming. Yeah, I'm really happy for that. It's happening so much, so I really hope that it can be connected with the book. Let's see. Okay, so the chapter starts with the fact that Brian is saying us that we have conscious mind, and conscious mind is our thinking mind. So the thing that we can hold only one thought at a time is very important to remember, and this mind is helping us to compare the information. We can see, analyze, and analyzing and deciding. This is the biggest function of this. So conscious mind is one, but our chapter is named Mastermind, and by mastermind it is exactly what Brian thinks about subconscious mind. So subconscious mind can be compared to a big memory hard disk drive. It gathers all the information from our life, everything what we did, everything what we are thinking about us, about the world, our past actions, and it can be used differently than the conscious mind. And we need to know that our subconscious mind is subjective. So whatever we would like to have in our minds, we can plant there like a seed in the garden. So we can use our conscious mind to think about what we would like to have these seeds and plant them in our subconscious mind and wait for the result. That is what Brian is saying, that will be the best option we can do. And the good thing is that our subconscious mind will never question us about what we plant there. It will be growing no matter what. It's exactly like with planting the right seeds in the right ground and wait with the good weather for the result. As we know, the battle with ourselves is a never-ending story, but what would be the life without any challenges and battles? It will be boring. So every one of us has some nice challenges, and Brian helps us also to understand how can we work with our subconscious mind. And of course, like always, we have some lists with a lot of stuff. So the first list is connected with 3 laws of subconscious mind. The first law is about subconscious activity. So activity is meaning that whatever you accept as true by your conscious mind, it will be immediately true for our subconscious mind. The next one is law of concentration, and of course it means that the more you think about some stuff, the more probable they are becoming to be true. And the last is law of substitution, and it's super important, this law of substitution, because it connects with you can only have one thought at a time. And I was using that very much recently because I have read this chapter like a week ago, so it is really working. So whenever you have some strange thoughts, for example that you cannot do something or you feel anxious about something, you can just change this thought because your mind is able to only hold one thought at a time. So I really recommend trying this because it's really easy. It is effortless and it can help you instantly, so please do this. To be honest, if you remember just this thing from that video, that you can hold only one thought at a time and you can switch unpositive things, so negative into positive, that will give you some uplift in your life. I will be testing that, but that's not the end. But one thing to remember, guys, don't be too crazy about all of that. I'm telling you, and I'm serious about all of that, what I'm telling you, but you need to find the right balance. This is the key. Okay, let's go. So the next thing what Brian is proposing, and he's telling us that we could do one task. So to relax, we can think about one thing we would like to achieve, and we can think about that like a movie. So choose your goal, then go to the end of that story. So for example, you already achieve it and you have the last 10 minutes of the movie. So have this in mind the best possible way, with more details, and you can feel it, you can hear it, and then you can fully relax because it already happened. You are just rewinding all of that story to the very beginning. You know the ending, you did it, and you can watch fully relaxed, and this is working in your subconscious mind, what is the main aim here. So hope that you can try it, for example when you can't sleep and you don't have anything more interesting to do, and everybody from us has this like that. So see you there. This is pretty much the end. At the end of the chapter, Brian is saying only that when we will be practicing all of these things, we will be conscious about our mind, thoughts. It will benefit not only our goals, but this will have the impact on everything what we are doing in our lives. We will feel better because it's like mindfulness. This is very popular right now, so you are focusing on one thing, and because of that your mind doesn't need to think about all the other stuff around. So this is the end. It was short chapter, but I hope that we now know more. So please use your subconscious mind, and we see each other in the next video, or I will do something more today. I don't know, let's see. I will go now to the city. It's Friday, so I need to find something to drink, and I will see you soon. see, guys, here are the stars. In the future here will be Mati Global. There is no other way. And here you, and here you. Okay guys, this is really the end. See you next video, but please remember, subscribe this channel and leave the comment and give the like. Yeah, all of that is really important to grow. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.